In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between Grok and ChatGPT, two of the most advanced AI models available in 2025, each offering unique strengths tailored to different audiences and needs. First, let's dive into Grok. Developed by Elon Musk's XAI, Grok focuses on real-time reasoning and live information access. What's impressive about Grok is its ability to connect directly to the web, as well as Elon Musk's social platform X, which used to be known as Twitter. This connection allows Grok to provide instantly up-to-date answers and analyze current events as they happen. This capability is particularly beneficial for users who prioritize having the latest data, require technical reasoning, or seek quick factual responses. Its fast analytical nature makes it highly appealing to developers, researchers, and professionals who rely on current information. However, it's worth noting that Grok's focus on factual information occasionally makes it less creative, which may limit its suitability for storytelling or tasks where tone is important. On the other hand, we have ChatGPT 5, developed by OpenAI, which excels in creativity, productivity, and natural conversation. ChatGPT offers a polished tone and can adapt to a variety of writing styles. Whether you're looking for help with explaining complex concepts, drafting content, or working on creative projects, ChatGPT truly shines. Its multimodal abilities, encompassing text, images, voice, and even code, add to its versatility. ChatGPT can be seamlessly integrated with tools like Microsoft Copilot and various APIs, enhancing its utility across numerous platforms. Although it might not access real-time information as quickly as Grok does, its accuracy, clarity, and creative depth are industry-leading, making it a valuable resource. Now let's talk about the pricing differences between these two models. Grok offers a monthly plan priced at $30 for regular users, while its heavy tier, which includes advanced features, is available for $300 per month. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a more affordable option. It provides free access for basic use, with premium tiers ranging from $20 to $50 per month for faster and more capable versions. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for real-time insights, quick reasoning, and integration with the X platform, Grok is your go-to choice. However, if creativity, reliability, and versatility in an AI assistant are what you value for writing, learning, and productivity, then ChatGPT is likely to suit your needs better. Ultimately, the choice between Grok and ChatGPT depends on your specific requirements and priorities. Whether you need up-to-the-minute information or a versatile creative partner, both models deliver powerful capabilities in their own right.